guys, I've got 4 cups of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. That's about half the box. To that, we're adding 2 cans of apple pie filling. Let's go ahead and put that right on top. Cinnamon and apples are such a great mixture, perfectly going together. Do the other can as well. Perfect. Then just spread this apple pie filling right on top of that cinnamony, crunchy goodness. It's gonna be so good when this comes out of the oven. We're gonna be topping everything with a box of this buttery, golden cake mix. You can use whatever cake mix you want. A spice cake mix might be really good on this. You can use white cake mix too. I'm gonna spread that around on top. And then we're adding, this is 1 cup of chopped pecans right on top of that cake mix. The pecans are gonna go so well with the apple pie filling and that Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Let's go ahead and just kind of toss it so there's a little bit of that cake mix on top of all of those pecans. We're gonna be topping everything with 1 stick of sliced butter. I've got this sliced up into 12 pieces. So we can do 3 rows of 4. And once you have that stick of butter all arranged on here, I've got another stick of butter, half a cup, but this one is melted. I know when I use the sliced butter, sometimes I get stuck with a bunch of that cake mix that's still kind of dry. So this allows me to go in between all of that and prevents as much of that dry cake mix as possible. Okay, once that's on there, this is gonna go into a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes to an hour. Oh my goodness, take a look at this. It smells so good in the kitchen right now. I've got the cake mix and these pecans, and don't forget that Cinnamon Toast Crunch right on the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and cut a square out. Ooh, look at that. That looks so good, guys. That apple pie filling has really kind of melded itself with that Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Got some whipped cream, like that. You can serve this with ice cream if you want, but oh my goodness, I can't wait to dig in to this yummy, yummy, cinnamony apple dessert. Hot. But oh my gosh, that is so good, guys. You really need to make this. Guarantee it, it'll be a hit.